Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, SYG Tech is here. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share something pretty epic and pretty cool. So huge thanks to Canon UK for actually sent all this gear to check to make a video about, but as always, they're not sponsoring this video. This is a long kit from Canon UK. Massive thanks to the marketing team there. Beautiful gear to check and to share my upcoming videos series, so stay tuned. There will be a lot of interesting cool stuff here, guys. So let's start with the first case. So we have four cases. So let's start with the first one. So as you can see, we have something pretty epic. We have the Canon R50 V. This is a fantastic camera for video creators, and the reason I want to do this review with this camera is because it's fantastic camera, makes perfect sense for video creators like me, and I'm gonna do an interesting comparison with my Canon 200D, so stay tuned for that. Also, I'm gonna share my story, so pretty epic video. So Canon R50 V, beautiful, amazing camera, super cool features, which actually makes perfect sense, guys. So stay tuned for the upcoming video. So what else we have here? So we have the charger, as you can see. We have two batteries. This is always nice. So two batteries. We have the kit lens. This is an amazing kit lens, which I'm so happy to test. Power zoom lens, beautiful. So stay tuned for the video, guys. Also, I'm going to compare it to my my kit lens that I have, the 18 to 55, which I'm filming right now. Beautiful. What else we have? So we have some other cool stuff. We have the charger. Also, we have the plug adapter. This was the case number one. Let's continue with the next case. Case number two. Let's unbox it and let's see what we have here. Oh, beautiful. It's wrapped properly and safely. Nice, comes with really nice pouch. This is cool. I know what it is. Yes, this is EF to R adapter. This is pretty cool. So I can use my kit lens from my Canon 200D, also my 10 to 80 millimeters as well. So this is a pretty cool adapter. So if you have EF lenses, you can use them with your camera, which is fantastic. This is amazing, very good, nice and amazing quality. I love it. Yeah, EF adapter to R, pretty cool. Let's continue with the case number three. And now this is the case number three. Let's see what is inside. Super excited. Ah, beautiful. So this is ultra wide. This is 10 to 18 millimeter, fantastic lens for vlogging. I'm gonna test it as well. Also, I'm gonna compare it to my 10 to 18 millimeter EF. Yeah, this is beautiful. Look how small it is. That'll be interesting comparison. So again, stay tuned for that, guys. 10 to 18, ultra wide, amazing lens, beautiful. And now let's check the last case. This is something beautiful, something that is amazing. I already know what is inside, and I wanted to show you. I'm super excited to try this lens because this is something legendary. This is something epic. So I don't know if you have a guess what is inside. It's wrapped very nicely. I'll leave this on the side. So this is 16 by 35. This is a Mark III. Amazing lens. So excited to try this lens. Super cool lens. So what you should know about this lens is this is a professional grade lens amongst filmmakers. This thing is epic if you're a wedding photographer, if you're videographer. So I'm planning to do a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Actually, Canon releases three different versions of the 16 to 35. So Mark 1, Mark 2, and this is the Mark 3, which probably is one of the most popular from all the three lenses. Mark 2 also is very popular version, so pretty nice version as well to have. But yeah, so excited to try this lens, guys. So there we have it. Thank you very much, Canon UK, for supporting this idea to share my story to my audience. Plenty more videos are coming, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.